There's a new global threat, and we have to neutralize it. It's level 7, orange. Do you have the stuff it takes to get rid of this gross brass?
I do, with the new shade IGORA Royal 8-21.
Thank you.
In my first video, I removed the base color with the bond enforcing color remover, leaving a global level 7 orange as my starting base. I'm now going to foil focused around the face using IGORA Vario Blonde Plus and 10 volume. I applied my foils. Now I'm painting my base color in between to neutralize the orange. My formula is 7-42 and the new Cools 8-21 equal parts with 10 volume in IGORA Royal. I let this sit for a total of 45 minutes to process. I'm now rinsing and my base is perfectly neutralized. I'm going to do a bit of root tap with 7-1 and 7-0 equal parts from IGORA Vibrance for a seamless blend. To tone, I am using new IGORA Royal Cools 9-11 with a touch of 9-55 to maintain brightness, and with the 10 volume developer, I will let it process for a total of 15 minutes. Voila, my beautiful natural looking light base with blonde foils. What I love about this is we can go brighter and blonder every appointment easily. Now the dark base is gone, or we can choose to maintain this beautiful natural look.
I like what I see, cadet.